the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue, New York. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue is a testament to architectural brilliance and luxury. Standing tall at 1,396 feet, it offers some of the most stunning views of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the entire New York skyline. Designed by Raphael Viñoly, this 96-story skyscraper redefines opulence with its minimalist yet sophisticated design. The Penthouse spans over 8,000 square feet and features 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and a library. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the expansive living spaces, highlighting the high-end finishes and bespoke details. The interiors, designed by Deborah Burke Partners, blend simplicity with luxury, creating an atmosphere of understated elegance. Residents of this penthouse enjoy access to a private restaurant, a 75-foot indoor swimming pool, a fitness center, and a spa. With its unparalleled views and luxurious amenities, the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue represents the pinnacle of New York City living, offering an unmatched lifestyle for its fortunate inhabitants.